Hello everyone. Today we will present our research on a comparative study of algorithms for clickjacking detection. This study was conducted by Dylan Hansen Wijaya and me, Miracle Yasokairupan, from Binus University Cybersecurity Department. Let's dive into the details. Clickjacking is a deceptive attack that exploits hidden or disguised elements on web applications, leading to unauthorized actions such as data theft or malware installation. Techniques like jacking and cursor jacking further demonstrate the growing sophistication of these attacks. Existing detection methods, such as browser extensions and manual checks, are limited in addressing the complexity of modern clickjacking techniques. Machine learning approach, including support vector machine and extreme learning machine, have shown promise in detecting malicious URLs associated with clickjacking. By comparing these two algorithms, this research aimed to identify the more effective approach for enhancing the detection and preventing of clickjacking attacks. Next, research on clickjacking detection has explored various machine learning algorithms to address the increasing complexity of this attack. Common approach involve analyzing HTML elements, JavaScript, interactions, and domain characteristics to identify suspicious activities on web page. Algorithms such as SVM, support vector machine, and ELM, extreme learning machine, are frequently utilized due to their strengths in data classification. SVM is known for its ability to handle high-dimensional data with high accuracy, while ELM offers faster training times through its feed-forward network architecture. Although both algorithms have shown effectiveness, their performance heavily depends on data processing and the selection of relevant features. In conclusion, both SVM and ALM exhibit unique advantage, but their effectiveness varies depending on the dataset and application context. A direct comparison of these algorithms is essential to identify the optimal solution for efficient and accurate clickjacking detection. Next, data collection. The research began with data collection, focusing on two main areas. First, features were extracted from web application, including JavaScript scripts, address bar details such as domain and subdomains, HTML elements like iframe, commonly used in clickjacking attacks, and suspicious domain characteristics indicating phishing or malicious intent. Second, a dataset of malicious URLs titled obtained from Kaggle. This dataset containing known phishing URLs provided valuable data for identifying and analyzing malicious web behavior. Next, the raw data underwent pre-processing to prepare it for use in machine learning models. This involves three key steps: data cleaning, where irrelevant or missing data, including duplicate records, were removed to ensure reliability, features standardization, ensuring all features were on the same scale for consistency, direct analysis, and data splitting, where the dataset was dived into 80% the training data for model training and 20% the testing data for evaluating algorithm performance. These steps were essential for achieving accurate and reliable model outcomes. Next, after data collecting, the next step was to analyze the data to identify features relevant for detecting clickjacking attacks and to understand the characteristic of malicious URLs. Key features including iframe elements, CSS properties, and JavaScript interactions, which are commonly associated with clickjacking. Additionally, the analysis focused on identifying suspicious domain names, irregular URL structures, and other indicators of malicious behavior to enhance the detection process. Next, two machine learning algorithms were implemented to build models for detecting clickjacking attacks. Support SVM, support vector machine, a classification algorithm, was used to identify a hyperplane that separates the data into distinct classes, classifying web page as either safe or affected by clickjacking. ELM, extreme learning machine, utilizing a feed-forward neural network with a single hidden layer, was also applied to efficiently process input data and identify patterns indicative of clickjacking. Both algorithms were evaluated to determine their effectiveness in detecting such attacks. We evaluate models using metrics like accuracy, precision, recall, and F1 scores. This help assess the reliability of effectiveness of each algorithm. Next slide will be presented by my friend Dylan Hansen.
Now I'm going to present about results and discussions of our research. First, evaluation using SVM or support vector machines. We get accuracy 92.6%, precision 93%, recall 94%, and F1 score 93%. We implement the support vector machines algorithm to classify web pages as safe or malicious. SVM high recall of 94% highlights it effective in identifying the case of clickjacking. Its ability to analyze iframe structures and CSS properties contributes significantly to this performance. Next, evaluation using extreme learning machines. We got accuracy 92%, precision 92%, recall 92%, and F1 score 92%. The extreme learning machine model also delivers strong results with an accuracy of 92% and consistent performance across precision, recall, and F1 score metrics. Its recall rate demonstrates its sensitivity to detecting clickjacking attacks. Next, comparative analysis using SVM and ELM. When comparing SVM and ELM, SVM slightly outperforms ELM in all metrics. For example, SVM accuracy was 92.6% compared to 92% for ELM. Similarly, its higher precision and recall make it better suited for minimizing false positive and identifying true malicious cases. The comparative testing demonstrates the superior performance of SVM in detecting clickjacking attacks. SVM accuracy of 92.6% was higher than ELM's 92%, while its recall of 94% compared to ELM's 92% indicates better detections of true malicious cases. The higher precision of 93% for SVM reflects fewer false positives, enabling effective detections with minimal disruptions. Although ELM shows consistency and faster training times, its lower metrics suggest it is less reliable when precision and recall are critical priorities. Overall, SVM is preferable for mitigating clickjacking attack risks. Next, comparison with previous studies. We compare our findings with prior research. Our SVM model demonstrates higher accuracy and precision than the previous study. The recall was marginally lower for ELM. Our study achieved better accuracy and precision but show a similar F1 score, indicating consistent performance across metrics. Conclusions. In our research, we compare the performance of supervector machines and extreme learning machines for detecting clickjacking attacks. The result demonstrates that SVM outperformed ELM in several critical metrics. SVM achieved an accuracy of 92.6% and recall of 94% compared to ELM's recall of 92%. This highlights SVM's superior ability to identify true positive cases while minimizing false negatives. Additionally, with a precision of 93%, SVM show fewer false positives, enabling effective detection without unnecessary disruptions. While ELM demonstrates advantage in terms of architectural simplicity and training speed, its lower precision and recall indicate that it is less suitable for scenarios where detection accuracy and reliability are paramount. Based on these findings, SVM is the preferred choice for mitigating clickjacking risk. Moving forward, we recommend exploring strategies to further enhance SVM accuracy and precision. Additionally, investigating hybrid models that leverage the strengths of both SVM and ELM could provide an even more robust solution to clickjacking detections. Thank you for your time and interest in our research. We look forward to your feedback and suggestions to refine our work further.